Are you looking for emotional well-being, stress reduction, depression or anxiety reduction, or anger management without drugs or expensive medications? We welcome you to a transformative journey of health and well-being with our 30-day Bronze Health Membership Program, blending cutting-edge technology and personalized care for all your pain points. Introducing voice analysis with sound therapy frequency prescriptions for healing your emotional body. A one-time reporting system that offers instant and convenient full-body scan using AI algorithms. Track your vital health indicators at the click of a button and receive personalized recommendations tailored just for you. Your journey begins with a voice sample collection via our artificial intelligence app. A simple process repeated 3 times over the course of 30 days on day 1, day 12, and day 23. Now let's talk about sound therapy prescriptions. You get 2 AI-generated sessions delivered daily, totaling 60 sessions per month at the rate of 2 sessions per day, each lasting 20 minutes. And the best part, you can download them immediately after your voice recording. But that's not all. As a bonus, you'll receive our Mind Body Revive bundle featuring 3 guided meditations to enhance your mental well-being. Our progress goal, emotional healing. Should you decide to activate your Bronze Health membership, here are some instructions. Visit Google Play Store and search under the app section for JVScan app. Download it, register first, log in, and then record your voice to receive your free sample health report. After that, you can select your subscription, pay online, and your membership will be automatically activated so that you can get access to your full body report and sound frequency prescriptions for healing. We are dedicated to guiding you towards a more emotionally resilient and balanced life. Let's talk about the investment in your well-being now. The regular price for this transformative program is Indian rupee 11,111. But for a limited time, seize this opportunity at our exclusive offer price of rupee 5,555 only. Activate your membership today and embark on this journey of self-discovery, wellness, and emotional healing, because your well-being is priceless. Visit our website or contact us to start your 30-day transformative experience now. Your journey to emotional healing begins with a click. JVScan wishes you and your family a very good and vibrant health always. Stay healthy, stay proactive towards health. Don't wait. See you on the other side. Thank you.